What is a differential pressure transmitter with flush diaphragm separator? It is a DP transmitter used to measure pressure or level in corrosive, viscous, slurry, or clogging process fluids. Flush diaphragm separators protect the transmitter's sensing element from direct contact with the process fluid. Why are flush diaphragm separators used? Flush diaphragm separators are used to prevent clogging, protect the transmitter from corrosive fluids, ensure accurate measurement in dirty or viscous media. What is the function of capillary tubes in this system? Capillary tubes hydraulically transmit pressure from the diaphragm to the transmitter's measuring cell using silicone oil, without allowing process fluid to enter the transmitter. What type of oil is used inside the capillary tubes? Vacuum-filled silicone oil is used. What is the standard output signal of a DP transmitter? Typically 4 to 20 milliamps. What are the main components of a DP transmitter with flush diaphragm separator? Differential pressure transmitter, 2 flush diaphragm seals, HP and LP, capillary tubes filled with silicone oil, measuring cell. Where are the HP and LP diaphragms installed? They are directly exposed to the process at two different pressure points, high pressure and low pressure. What material is commonly used for flush diaphragms? Stainless steel or special corrosion-resistant alloys. What is the function of the measuring cell? It receives pressure from both capillaries, calculates the pressure difference, and converts it into an electrical output. Explain the working principle of a DP transmitter with flush diaphragm separator. Process pressure acts on the flush diaphragm. Diaphragm deflects proportionally. Silicone oil transmits pressure through capillary tubes. Measuring cell senses HP and LP. Pressure difference is calculated. Output signal is generated, 4 to 20 milliamps. Why is this called an indirect measurement method? Because the transmitter does not directly contact the process fluid, pressure is transmitted hydraulically through silicone oil. Where is this type of DP transmitter commonly used? Chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, food and beverage industries, corrosive and slurry applications. How is it used for level measurement? By measuring the differential pressure between the bottom and top of the tank, which corresponds to the hydrostatic head of the liquid. How does it help in filter clogging monitoring? An increase in differential pressure across the filter indicates clogging or blockage. Explain fermentation tank level measurement using a DP transmitter. HP diaphragm is mounted at the tank bottom. LP diaphragm is mounted at the top vapor space. DP corresponds to liquid height. Accurate level measurement is obtained even with foam or corrosive media. Why should capillary tubes not be bent or twisted? Bending or twisting can cause measurement errors, zero shift, slow transmitter response. How should capillary tubes be routed? Neatly along cable trays, properly supported, without sharp bends. Why should both capillaries experience similar ambient temperature? To avoid temperature-induced measurement errors due to silicone oil expansion. What are the advantages of flush diaphragm DP transmitters? Suitable for corrosive fluids, prevents clogging, protects transmitter internals, allows remote mounting, high measurement accuracy. What are the limitations of this system? Capillaries are mechanically sensitive. Temperature affects silicone oil. Higher cost. Requires skilled installation. What happens if a diaphragm gets punctured? Silicone oil leaks. Output becomes erratic or zero. What is the remedy for diaphragm puncture? Replace the diaphragm seal assembly. What causes blocked diaphragm pickup? Process material buildup on the diaphragm surface. What are the effects of blocked diaphragm pickup? Sluggish response, incorrect readings. What problems occur due to capillary damage? Measurement drift, signal instability. How can capillary damage be rectified? Replace the damaged capillary. Reinstall with correct routing. Why is proper installation critical for this transmitter? Correct installation ensures long-term accuracy, stability, and avoids common failures like zero shift and signal drift. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA